Here is a description of Adonara, an island located in the Nusa Tenggara archipelago, namely to the east of Flores Island. This island of Flores bordered by the Flores Sea, to the north of the Solar State in the south and the Lewotobi Strait in the west, as believed by the people of the Adonara location, that the native Adonara is a descendant of a woman named Sedolepan. This woman was a primitive human, the first human to inhabit the island of Adonara. Genealogically, the Adonara people were born from the womb of the same ancestor, namely Sedolepan, who then gave birth to a woman named Kawai Sedobolen. Kawai Sedobolen, who will the little meet a man named Kalake Adopehan. This is the origin of the descendant and development of the indigenous Adonara community until now. The genealogy of origin of Lian is still maintained to this day. Some of them live on the coast of close to the sea known as Atawatan. In those who live inland are called Atakiwang. The spirit of Pinak Adopehan children has not in the slightest spread their days of enslaved until now, and all of them are attached to each other of serf and Gawaian each other of portes everything in Lewotana. This is marked by every traditional culture party. They are always together. Currently, the religion and beliefs of the majority of Adonara community have been embraced. Abrahamic religion are Catholic and Islam, although the Adonara community always live in harmony and only with a high unity tolerance. And some people still maintain the traditional Adonara belief system that has been predicted by their extrude, namely Kodakirin. Kodakirin is a belief in Almighty God, which is widely supported by the Lamaholo tribe community, especially the Adonara flag in the east of Flores Island, namely the East Nusa Tenggara Island. The Adonara people believe that life and extension of earth is due to Koda Kirin. Koda Pulo Kirin Lema, which means word or words. Koda Kirin is believed to be the creator or Rera Wulantana Ekan and is symbolized as Ria Hikulimawanan within the family carol. Nayubayan White in the tribal skip and Nubanara or Eken Matan Pito White in the skip of Lowo or Lowotana. This belief is tolerance with the ancestral real and with the creator and is centered on the Koda Kirin. Koda Kirin is believed to have religious flaw and is seen as a philosophy of life. Until now, the people of Adonara live by farming, cultivating plantation, raising, and vice herman. People who live in land as farmer and cultivate plantation product are known as Atakiwang, whilst those who live on the coasts of fisheries are called Atakiwan. In everyday life, both farm and fishermen still adhere to traditional religious patterns.